Alright, today I'm gonna be 2019 Nissan Versa. Tools I have is 13, 14, and 15 drain pan, motor oil, and oil filter, and then ratchet strap. So enough talking, let's get working. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do here is get our 14mm wrench socket and I want to make sure it's in the right area. Okay, so let me put this directly underneath. Ooh. Came off quick. That was really easy. Alright, now for the fun part. Okay, wow, this bolt really does come off really easy. Thank goodness they didn't put it on with no air socket. That would have sucked. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, Hershey. This car's oil hasn't been changed in 10,000 miles, so it's a little bit dirty. But I'm gonna clean it up with some towels right now, and that's it. That's really all you gotta do. And after that, I'm gonna get this guy off, and hopefully the other one fits. It looks a little smaller, but Nissan gave it to me, so let's fast forward the process of this thing. Announce I did take the oil cap up off the top of the engine, so that way it releases the pressure. So just drain out. Alright, so about 2 minutes later, it's still leaking a little bit. I mean, that's a good thing. That means that the thing was really full. You guys can see right here, it's about 4 quarts, 5 quarts. This is a 7 quart, so it's probably like 4 quarts of oil. So this car is non-turboed, so thank goodness, because I don't know why they decided to make every single car turbo nowadays. Thank goodness this one isn't a turbo. I don't have to worry about it eating oil a lot, like the Fiat. But yeah, I'm gonna get a napkin, come back on down here, and then take that thing off. So let's get it. Alright, so to add on really quick, there is a little copper crush ring. To get that off, you just need like a little flathead to get it off. But let's get this guy cleaned up and then get underneath cleaned up. So hold on. Now that bolt is just gently in there. It's not in there all the way. So now we have to try to get off that thing. Okay. Alright, so it's gonna be kind of hard to see where I'm at with this one, but hopefully my ratchet strap fits on there. I don't think it will. Alright, so got it off. Ratchet strap didn't work. Too big. It's meant for trucks. It's fine. And this little baby filter. Basically what I did was put a flathead in it, pounded it all the way in, got it loose like that. So yeah, old filter is out thanks to some good old mechanic methods that I learned over the years. And now we just have to head back under and clean up the mess, just all the oil spills and everything. But see, the threads are totally fine. I hammered right above it, so yeah. Okay, So remember, when you're putting the old filter in, just always steal a little bit of that old oil or new oil, up to you, and just kind of wet the seal just a little bit, so that way when you do connect it to the car, I'm gonna clean this off, don't worry, but when you connect it and secure it down, it's not gonna seize up on you. Always lube your seals. We get some napkins and tighten it down by hand, so that way when I take it off again, I don't have to struggle. But thank goodness it's the right one. So that's done, oil's done, and then now it's just to clean and then go up there. So I'll show you guys pouring the oil, and then that's it. That's how you do your oil change on a 2019 Nissan Versa. Okay, so we're up here, got our oil. Yeah, so I don't have a funnel, so I made a funnel. That's what it is, but STP oil, because this isn't a super tuned up car, so it's just regular old oil, synthetic, put into the engine. I'm not going to show you guys this, but just because it's hard to film and pour. I think 2018, 2016, they're all similar engines, similar sizes, 1.6 I believe, or 1.8, don't quote me. But yeah guys, if you like what you see, want some more tips, comment below, like and subscribe, support your boy. And next video might be car meet, question mark, or it might be car repair. But thank you guys.